hello everybody. Okay, si Zoe will teach us the ABC. Okay? Okay, Zoe, where's the apple? Where's the apple, Zoe? Show me the apple. Where's the apple? Wait. Why? So that we could see that in the TV again. Okay? So that Tita Ninang and Tita Les will see that you know how to read already. Okay, oh, where's the apple? Show me the apple daw. Where's the apple? Very good. Where's the dog? Okay, where's the cat? Where's the cat, sorry? Ay, you have to show me the cat first. Ay, ayoko nun. Bad yun. Bad naman si Zoe. Ayoko na yan. O, show me the cat. Cat. Yan. Butterfly. Where's the elephant? Where's the apple? Yeah. Where's the fish? Where's the fish? Very good. Okay, lipat natin. Okay, where's the goat? Goat. Very good. Where's the ice cream? Where? Nice. Where's the lion? Yeah, very good. Where's the hat? Very good. Where's the kite? Galing ah. Where's the jelly? Okay, next page. Okay. Where's the moon? Very good ah. Where's the orange? Okay. Where's the rabbit? Queen. Where's the queen? Yan. Saan yung nest? Where's the nest, diba? Oh, this is the nest. Okay, next. Okay, where's the star? Where's the star? Very good. Where's the turtle? Very good. Where's umbrella? Yan. Where's the xylophone? Nice. Violin? Where's the violin? Yan. Where's the watermelon? Tingin, watermelon. Very good ah. Okay. Where's the zebra? Yay! Where's the yarn? Where's the yarn? Very good naman si Zoe. Oh, say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye, camera. Bye! Bye! Kiss mo siya? Bye, kiss mo sa camera? Mwah!